You don't need any followers, you don't have to sell anything, and you don't have to provide any service, but you will still be able to make over $500 per Instagram story. Stay tuned to see how. Help ordinary people make extraordinary income. Okay, we are now inside of my computer. Let's get started. So today, in order to make this strategy work, we will be using 3 different platforms. So we'll combine 2 more websites with Instagram in order to make this strategy work. And how do you actually make over $500 not once, not twice, but again and again per Instagram story if you don't have any followers, maybe you don't even have any posts, maybe you have just created your Instagram page? Well, you will still be able to do it, and here's how. So first of all, you want to sign up to Instagram. Obviously, create an account. You don't need any branded account or whatever. Just create an account. You can have 0 posts, 0 followers. It really doesn't matter whether you have 0 followers or 100 followers or 500 followers. That really doesn't matter to us. You just want to set up a nice profile picture, nice username, and maybe you can post 1 or 2 different posts on your page if you want to. That's really optional. But as soon as you do that, as soon as you set up your profile, you'll go over to the search bar and you want to search for different hashtags like book lovers or bookstagram, or I, for example, go with book lovers. So we are seeking people that love reading books, and on Instagram you can find millions of them. So for example, I will open up this one over here. You want to open up their page and you want to see if they're actually posting related to books. Yes, this page seems to be all related to books, which is perfect for us. So this is one page that we found. This page has 28,000 followers, which is great. Now just want to go back to that hashtag book lovers, and here you have all related hashtags which you can also use. So you can try book lovers, you can try books of Instagram, book blogger, bookgram, book addict, bookworm, love books, bookstagrammer, book addiction, and so on and so forth. So all of these keywords can use us. So now you want to open up as many of those pages that are similar to this one, that are posting different stuff related to books. So it's proven that they're attracting people that love reading books, and you will see how that will make us money per story. You will see how that actually works. You will not have to sell them anything or whatever. Don't worry about it. So it's gonna be so simple and so easy. But first of all, let's open up another page. Maybe this one. Let's try with this one. So this is also a similar page. Yes, it is. That's great. Now you want to open up as many of these as you can, maybe like 3 or 4 or 5 different pages related to books and book lovers. Not this one, so this is a personal page, obviously. Maybe this one. I will try out with this one. And this one seems to be perfect. Yeah, this can make us money as well. And just repeat the process again and again until you have like 5 or 10 different of those pages opened up. And now we have 2 more platforms before we get back to those pages. So the first platform is gonna be Audible.com. So you want to come over to Audible.com, and what this is, if you don't know, Audible is an Amazon's company. So Amazon has created Audible, and it's all related to audio books. So there are like over 20 million active monthly users on Audible that come here to grab different audio books, and there are like a zillion of different people that love reading books, but they don't have the time, because reading a book really requires at least some time to put into it. But listening to an audio book can be done even if you're cooking. Whatever you're doing, you can just put on your headphones and listen to different audiobooks, and it still feels like you're reading a book. And that's why the demand for this is just growing. Not a lot of people have time to read books, but they love reading books. And don't worry, you will not have to resell those ebooks or whatever. People don't have to pay for anything, but you will still make money. And that's why this is so easy and requires no previous skills, obviously. And as well, it's gonna be done for you. You just need 1 Instagram story to make over $500. And I know it may sound a little bit confusing, but just stick with me and you will know exactly what needs to be done here. And there are like trillion different audiobooks on Audible. Whatever you can think of, whatever book you can think of, there is at least 1 audiobook for it over at the Audible.com. And you can even search for it on here. You can click on the search bar and you can search for different books, and you will be able to find millions of different books, millions of different audiobooks on here. But anyways, we don't want to pay for this, and we don't want to buy those audiobooks. But what we want to do is we want to go over to Google, and we want to type in Audible affiliate. So type in Audible affiliate, and don't let this affiliate keyword scare you away, because as I said, you will not have to sell anything, and those guys will not have to pay for anything, but you're still going to be able to make money because Audible affiliate program is really unique. Take a look at this. All you need to do is advertise drive traffic, and earn. And I will show you exactly how to do that with one Instagram story, even if you have 0 followers. Take a look at this. Take a look at the standard fee structure. So if someone signs up for the monthly membership, you're gonna make $10 if someone signs up using your affiliate link. But for that one, they will need to spend some money, so that might be a little bit harder. But here's the deal, guys. If they sign up for a free trial, for a free membership trial, you're gonna get $5. Even if they cancel, you're still gonna get $5. So Audible is gonna pay you just for getting them qualified leads, and they're gonna pay you $5 per qualified lead per person that signs up to this Audible free trial. So all they need to do is click on your affiliate link there. That's gonna take them over to this page. They can click on this to try Audible for free, and if they sign up, you made $5 for that. They don't have to spend any money, and they have access to 2 free audiobooks from Audible. So they can choose from billions of different audiobooks on here. They can grab them for free, and you're gonna get paid $5 for that. So how insane is that? And if they keep using Audible, you're even gonna make money off of that. So you're gonna make 50 cents per each audiobook that they get from Audible. And trust me, a lot of people get hooked when they sign up to Audible, because Amazon is really good at upselling people. It's one of the largest companies in the world, and they really know how to upsell people. So a lot of them will actually end up buying different audiobooks and signing up for gold digital memberships after they're done with the free trial. But even if they stick just to free trial, even if they sign up just for free, you're still gonna make $5, which is really insane. And it's gonna be super simple, especially with the third platform, which I'm about to give you in this video. Anyways, you want to come over to this page. See, we search for Audible affiliate program, we clicked on Google on the first page that pops up, and now you want to click on become an affiliate, and you want to sign up. It might take you like a couple of minutes to sign up. They're gonna ask you many different questions, like where you're coming from, what's your name, last name, email address, and all that basic stuff. You will sign up, and you will be able to grab your Audible affiliate program for any of those audiobooks from like a zillion of different audiobooks from audible.com. You want to grab your affiliate link, and with that affiliate link, let's say for example this is my affiliate link. This is not an affiliate link. Bear in mind, this is not your affiliate link. I'm just using this one as an example because I don't want to make this video too long, taking you through the process of signing up to Audible affiliate program. But anyways, as soon as you get access to your affiliate link, you will grab your affiliate link, and you will go back to some of those pages that are posting about books, and that are gathering the book lovers on their page. You can see United We Read. On here we can find over 28,000 followers, 28,000 people that love reading books. So all you would need to do right here is send a message. This page, for example, of course you don't have to use this page in particular. I'm just using this one as an example. Just open up one of many different pages which you can find by searching for those hashtags, and you want to DM them. For example, this page has 28,000 followers. I will DM them, and I will ask them about their shout out rates. And no, don't worry, even if you don't have any money to invest into this, don't worry. You can stick with me all the way to the end of the video, and I will show you where you can get like $10 to $20 for absolutely free, and use that to invest into those shoutouts, and from that point make a lot more from Audible affiliate program, and then just reinvest it again and again, and just build that. It's like a snowball effect that's never ending. So you will DM them. So you'll DM this page, for example, has 28,000 followers. You will DM them and tell them like, hey, what are your shout rates? And in most of the cases, believe it or not, these guys charge like $5 to $10 or sometimes $15 for a shoutout, for a 24-hour shoutout on their page, which is really just a no-brainer. Like $5 to $10 for a shoutout on a page with over 20,000 followers. And if you stick with me, I will have some special platform which you're just going to love. They will help you get even better results. But anyways, once they tell you like it's $5 or $10, all you will need to do is send them your Audible affiliate link. You will grab your Audible affiliate link, you will send them via DM, and you will pay them like $5 to $10, and then they will create a post for you. They will create that story ad for you. They will post it on their page, and since they have over 10,000 followers, they will even have the swipe up feature that's gonna take people directly to your Audible affiliate link, where they can sign up, where they can grab 2 audiobooks for free, and you're gonna get paid $5 per person that signs up for free. And since those are over 20,000 followers, 20,000 people that love reading books, and now you're offering them something that they can sign up for free, and it's gonna be easier for them, and it's gonna make reading books easier for them. It's just gonna be an absolute no-brainer. So if you were selling something, that will be really hard. But with this one, it's super simple. And out of 28,000 people, if you can just get 0.1% of them to sign up to Audible for free, to grab books for free, and it's proven that they love books since they're following this page, if you can just get 0.1% of them, that's still gonna end up being 280 people multiplied by $5. That's over $1,000 for a single story on Instagram. And that's absolutely insane. And even if you don't get 0.01% conversion, which is an absolute no-brainer, even if you get less than that, even if you get like 0.05, that's still gonna be over $500 or $600 for a single story. And all you need to do is send them 2 or 3 different messages, like ask them for rates, they will tell you the rates, you will send them your Audible affiliate link, and you will pay them $5 or $10 or $15. And you have a chance to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And you can do the same for all of those different pages that have at least 10,000 followers. So if they don't have 10,000 followers, then you can close that page and you want to go back to these different hashtags and find pages that have at least 10,000 followers to stand the better chances of getting more signups to your Audible affiliate link, where you once again make $5 per free signup. So that's absolutely insane. And the last platform that I promised you was influencercard.com. So you can come over to influencercard.com, go over to browse section, and you can see that on here you can buy shoutouts for like on a page with like 52,000 followers. It has on a page it has 52,000 followers for just $2.50. For $2, you can buy a shoutout on a page with 50,000 followers. How insane is that? And you really don't mind where those followers are coming from, because they don't have to spend any money, they don't have to buy anything, they just need to sign up for free. So you really don't mind. And even if that page is not related to books, you're still gonna be able to get some sign up, because here's the thing with Audible. So for example, this book is about cars and bikes. As you can see, the niche is cars and bikes. All you need to do is come over to Google and you want to type in best books about cars. For example, I'll search for that. That's gonna give me all of these top sellers for car lovers. So maybe I'll take a look at this one, Go Like Hell, and I will try to find it on Audible. So I'll do like Go Like Hell, and I will search for that, and you can see it. Here it is. Here's the actual audiobook on the audible.com, which means I can grab an affiliate link for this one, and now instead of them buying this for $24.95, they can get it for free by using my affiliate link, which is an absolute no-brainer. So all I would need to do is pay this guys $2.50 for a shoutout, and they're gonna bring that free audiobook to over 50,000 people that love cars and bikes. And out of 50,000 people, if I just get even if I get just 5 signups, I will still make some profit. So this is like one of the fastest and easiest ways you can make some money online. And there's no shortage of money to be made here, because there are like tens of thousands of these different pages from which you can buy a shoutout and promote your Audible affiliate link. So definitely it's a simple strategy, but it's a really great one, and it can make you a lot of money without selling anything, no followers, and with some tiny investments. Now, as I promised you, even if you don't have any money to invest right now, I'm gonna show you where you can get $5, $10, or $15 to invest into this, so you can start right away. Well, here's what I meant by that. So if you want to see how you can make some PayPal money instantly, so you don't have to wait for like months, days, or weeks, or whatever, you can get paid instantly directly to your PayPal account. It's not gonna make you a lot of money, but still, even if it does make you like $20 to $30, you can use that and reinvest for those shoutouts. So definitely click on that video that's on the screen right now, and I will show you how you can do it. I'm gonna show you different websites that are gonna pay you instantly directly to your PayPal account, so use that money to invest into the strategy we talked about in this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you inside of that video.